So freaking loud now. The homie Gustavo put a downpipe on it, and I think he removed the muffler too, so it's stupid loud. It's pretty much like my E92. What's up guys, thank you for watching another video, another early morning car meet we're going to today. But before we get too far into the video, I want to come on here and tell you guys thank you to everybody who copped something for the merch drop on Friday. You guys are insane, bro. Like literally almost everything is sold out. No more jet tags, no more Beamer Club stuff. I think we have a lot of GTR stuff, which makes me sad. I guess you guys really like the BMW one more, but we got a lot of GTR stuff. We still have a few more things left, so if you guys haven't got anything or want to get something from the website, go right now. It's the first link in the description, shopfindingnick.com. But yeah guys, thank you. We almost sold out of everything, and I appreciate you guys so freaking much. It's insane to see how many of you guys support me, support the channel, and I can't wait till I see you guys rocking this merch at car meets and stuff and running into you guys with the merch on. It's so freaking awesome to see that. You guys see, it's so hard not to race anybody. I'm still not tuned and I can't race, but I run into people all the time I want to race. I can't wait. It's almost gonna get tuned, guys. Hopefully this week, hopefully. Bro, it's super freaking loud. All I can hear is the Supra, bro. Gustavo, you're crazy. That's how we beat in the Tesla. Bro, that shit's fast. So funny, he comes to the race meets with us and he gaps all these Camaros and Corvettes, everything. Gustavo, where you at, bro? Gustavo's homies. Old Supras, R35, holy shit. And GTR boys. Look at the GTRs though. I love that front end, the newer front end. It's so mean, bro. All the stance guys. Oh my god, that one's sick. See, if I got a Supra, I would get that right there. NSX. Look at this Ferrari, bro. Isn't that shit expensive? Wow, bro. Everybody's coming over here to record it. That shit is beautiful, bro. That has to be my favorite car here.
Sorry, but I prefer that one.
Bro, for real, dude. That's the GTR. What's up, dude? That's so sick. I don't think I've ever seen one. An R32. I found a random spot and I took it. So now we gotta find Gustavo parking. All over Gustavo.
All over you. All over me, all over you.
Found a parking right next to my GTR, so that's good. That wing is sick, dude. You don't like it?
I like it, bro, but I don't know if I want that one as a TJ.
I think I like that, bro. I'm not even lying. Dude, this shit is so clean. Look how clean the rear end is, bro. Crazy, bro. Look at that. The C92 is perfect, dude. If I can make... I know, that's not supercharged, huh? If I ever built another one, it'll probably be like that. All over again. I honestly want to start over. Holy shit, bro. It's like a full-on show car right here. I think I've seen it, honestly, online. Yeah. Bro, there's so many sick cars. Look at this, M4 GTS. Kevin, where you at, bro? If I had an FRS, it would be exactly like this. This is the homie Chris's car, too. It's so clean. That's a crazy ass wide body kit. That's crazy. Look at all of these GTRs. Oh my god, dude. This is literally perfect, bro. Exactly that color, those wheels, everything. Literally, bro, you do not see this thing. Dude, it's literally so clean too. Like, it's literally perfect. Nismo, right hand drive. The paint is like mint. I can't get over that shit. Like, it literally looks so good, dude. Everybody's looking at it, bro. M2? That color is sick. I like it. I want to bring my E46 to a car meet. The only thing is we're gonna have to trailer it until I can figure out a way to register it somehow. I like the wheels. What they got, Gustavo? Who's over here inspecting someone's car? Damn, this NSX is sick. Bro, there's a lot of JDM cars here. This shit is beautiful, dude. Guys, I don't know what to film. There's so much to film. Look at this Tiffany blue. FindingNick in a GTR. But everybody wants me to do that, but I don't know. That's super bright. This is hard. All carbon fiber. My favorite GTR. Bro, look at the wheel setup, dude. Guys, I need these wheels. I need that trunk. I need everything. Bro, that shit's sick. That hood is crazy. This body kit is crazy. Bro, I love this car. I love the color, everything. I need these, bro. Yeah, that lip is huge. Imagine someone does step on it. Damn. Damn, that shit's sick. I don't even know what I'm looking at, but it looks fast. All the JDM whips. Oh my god, bro. Dude, how many people can you fit in there? One day I'm gonna get that. We're from Monta too, bro. It's probably the cleanest E92 I've ever seen. T37s. It's just so clean, bro. We're about to go to some other meet. It's like a big cruise, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna follow the pack and get some content for you guys. We got the homie Fresh Kicks. A lot of you guys have been asking for us to make a video together. Maybe soon we'll figure out like a video idea. But we're about to go for a little cruise right now, and I'm hyped to see this thing on the street. That sucks. Bro, he flew by the cop and made a big ass backfire in front of the cop. But that shit's so clean. God damn. You're sitting on the wrong side, dude. Damn, boy. That shit sounds so sick. Look at all these JDM cars, dude. It looks like we're in freaking Japan right now.
Two badass fucking cars.
Look at this shit. All of these, bro. Look at my twin in R32. Must be nice. Bro, they brought all the JDMs out here today. Oh my god, dude. This is insane. Like NSX, NSX. Bro, there's so many. That one was beautiful, dude. It sounds crazy, dude. I love this wide body one. Red with BBS wheels. It's literally my dream GTR right here. Vin Diesel, bro. That shit's funny. Look at all this carbon fiber. Everywhere. There's so much carbon. Those seats are crazy. Alright guys, we're leaving the meet. It's way too freaking hot outside. It's over 100 degrees for sure. That shit's beautiful. That Huracan is perfect. Exactly what I would do. Guys, this will be the first time I drive the Supra. I've never driven one. No? I'm excited. Guys, we're really driving each other's cars out here. I'm scared, bro. I've never driven the Supra. It's so loud. It should be sick though. I want to see the GTR drive. I've never seen my GTR drive. So sick to see your own car driving. that was just a downpipe, no tune yet, and it's already popping. Bro. Guys, I like this car a lot. It's such a fun little car. And my GTR sounds so good. That shit was fun. Traded cars with Gustavo for the day. Maybe we'll trade cars longer next time. But that was fun. Alright guys, back in the GTR. But I'm probably gonna end the video right there. It is very hot. I'm super tired. I woke up super early today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you guys. Thank you for everyone who copped something from the merch drop. And yeah, smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.